Baby girl put me right to sleep. Our kiss was like one too many drinks. I'm still trying to remember. Don't even know her name. She left me in December, but I still feel the pain. I thought that it was love, the way that you whine on me. I forgot one thing. She said she from the